Hi, my name's Renee. I am a member of the Edu805's team. You may have spoken to me on the phone or emailed me. I'm the one in the office doing all the background work. And I'm here today to introduce you to our new Edu805. This is the newest microscope of our range. It is actually replacing our 705, so you can no longer purchase the 705. Instead, you will get the 805. This microscope is a dissection microscope, which means you can put an item under there to have a look at, whether it's rocks or a leaf, for example. It has two light sources, so you can get the light from the bottom up and from the top down. So that's like that, or both at the same time, if that's what you need. You can turn the light up and down. It differs a little bit from the 705. It has a higher magnification, so it can be magnified to 20 or 40 times magnification rather than the 10 and 20 of the 705. To do that, you just move that like that. You can focus up and down this way, as well as through the eyepieces. It has LED lights which tend not to get hot or blow, so that's a really good feature of the 805. And the cord is detachable and quite heavy duty, so that's a good feature for this microscope as well. These microscopes are ideal for all age ranges. They go from preschool right up to year 12. And also one of the things that Edu805 offers for all our microscopes is to trial it for a 2-week period. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want to give it a go before you purchase it, you can 100% do that. Just email us and we will arrange to get a demo out to you free of charge, and we will arrange to pick it up at the end of the 2-week period. You can get the teachers to have a look at it and play with it before you make a decision on whether or not you'd like to purchase one of our microscopes.